loaded up and headed to our first gambler event. Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering Adventures. Alright, this is the day that we've been waiting for. We got the car on the trailer back here, and we're partway into the trip out to Lucerne Valley, which is about 175 miles away from my home in San Diego. Looks like it's around Victorville area on the I-15, so halfway to Vegas roughly. But we're loaded up. We stopped for gas, get some ice for our cold beverages, and of course we didn't check the trailer lights before we left, because why would we? So we got one trailer light we need to replace, and then we're gonna be heading on our way. And it's the day before the actual event starts, so we're trying to get up there about dark, throw our tents out, and meet some people before the actual event starts out tomorrow. Good morning from Gambler Camp. Slept right there last night in the parking lot. And let me swing you around. We'll take a quick look at the parking lot here and see some of the cars. Here's what you call the cheater class. It's probably going to actually be search and rescue guy. Get everything from old Mercedes diesels, Isuzu Amigo, get the Jurassic 500, bone stock 80s BMW. There's a RAV4 over there. I'll wait till everything clears out and get a nice view of it all. The Lexus Gambler 500 Super Clean Edition is looking pretty good here in its element. Well, we're just in the parking lot still. So once again, wanted to say thank you. Super clean. They donated a whole bunch of little sample packs here. I put all this together and added my channel name in there, so we'll be giving these out to people here. Thanks again. Love your products. Made this car look super clean.
The talking in these, usually it's Matt or somebody with a loud voice, you know. But
hear that, Matt? Somebody with a loud voice, Matt.
I don't want Matt to do it though.
No, Matt. I think it should be Gibby's brother. Oh, yeah.
And we're moving. Got us a convoy going, man. Check it out, everybody. See, all them over there, over there, over there. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Is it recording? Yeah, it is. Okay.
All right, and we're off. We did the first waypoint on this gambler event. We're not even sure if we went to the right place or not, but this looked pretty cool, so we stopped here. We're out here in the Lucerne Valley area, just driving around, cruising around with this awesome little Lexus. It's doing well so far, but we haven't really done much, put it to the test. Cruise is nice on the highway. First time I've had it over 40 miles an hour. Why not? So we're gonna head right back to pavement and put in the next waypoint and see if we can figure out this GPS coordinate stuff. All right, we must know what we're doing. We got all these guys the same place that we're at, so whether or not we know exactly what we're doing. Okay, well, all right. Well, we didn't know what the hell we're doing, but we see more people, so we're all wrong together or all right together.
Starter Wells Road, is that what it is?
That's right.
We're
Bottoming out.
And we're the back of the pack. Everybody else in front of us, we're keeping an eye on them, keeping our distance. Check with you later. Going up the hill, you don't see this very often.
Not in a Lexus IS300.
Look at this. Oh yeah. Slide waving. Awesome.
There you go.
Got it going on. Alright, we're gonna make it later.
Well, we just climbed up Stoddard Wells Road here. Doing a little bit of rock crawling, I guess you could say. I don't know how many Lexus IS300s have been out here before. Oh hey, I wanted to mention this here. My buddy here, Robert Roy, He sponsored me here, so he's going to be buying us a couple of meals. If anyone else wants to sponsor this car, just contact me and I'll put your information on here. Word to Past Blue Ribbon. Get a hold of me, please.
Somebody's still trying to get in the vehicle.
Squeaky, squeaky. Well, we've been bottoming out a lot. And, you saw the tire was hitting. So we're doing a little roadside repair.
Still, we're not in the back of the pack. We're second to back.
It's okay though. We're happy to be in the group at all.
In the group.
We're in the sand now. It does well in the sand.
Yeah, handled real well. Got the power button on.
Yeah, we drove over that sage too. I'm smelling it, keeping the evil spirits away. Yeah, this is where one-wheel drive is not good.
Yeah, getting dusted out a little bit. Take the high road to the road. All right, check with you later. If I can get up there, so I'm pulling everything out.
I'm just saying on the outside. Oh man, look
Yeah, that was me.
Don't do that. Shut it off. And this is the true spirit of the gambler here. We all ended up down in this little area where a bunch of outdoorsmen, shooters, people coming down here for target practice, just left a disaster of a mess. And everyone's loading up their vehicles with as much of this stuff as we can get. We got tires and junk and picking up all kinds of stuff here. So this is what we do. Come out here and clean up.
There you go. There you go. Oh, you gonna grab in there? Yeah, you go, boy.
We got upper control arm broken in work here in the middle of nowhere.
This is the uncharted location.
Uncharted location. I can't say where.
Take pictures, they said.
See if I can get some of this road. Yeah, yeah. Sort of. Whoop-de-doo, whoop-de-doo.
Right up on a Subaru's ass here.
Yeah.
What do we got? A Mercedes in front of that?
Stock Mercedes, no.
That's a lifted Mercedes.
Lifted Mercedes. And that, really no. We're doing good. Hanging in there.
Alright, we made it to Gambler Camp. It's late. Norm, how'd we do?
We did great, man.
Well, the car's still running like a champ. It's too dark to see anything here. We have to stay over here. The back end's a little too soft. Front end is really good, actually. And we've been talking. We have some ideas what we want to do with it, but we're having a great time. And it's time to have a couple beers and eat some food and set up a tent. And we're supposed to party all night, but both of us are tired. Don't tell anyone else here. We don't want to be labeled as weak. But we're camping out here on a dry lake bed, and we don't know how the heck we got here because we just followed the crowd. We got in with a really good group of people here and hung with them all day.
Bonfire.
Yeah, campfire over here. Yeah, it ought to be a fun night. Good morning from Gambler Camp. Here on a dry lake bed. Everyone's spread out everywhere. I just want to let you know, if you're interested in one of these events and you're an extrovert, you're going to fit in well. If you're an introvert, you're going to fit in well. If you're a car guy, you're going to fit in well. If you're a truck guy, you're going to fit in well. There's even some van guys here, or gals. Everyone is welcome. it's a real cool experience. So to reinforce that this is a rally and not a race, the very first car that gets to camp at the end of the day gets a bowling ball through their back window. So that's what they're doing here. Remember, this is a rally, not a race.
Don't get your finger stuck in the hole.
Whoa.
Are you guys ready?
Whoa.
Mustard on it.
It's too early for that shit.
So, hear ye, hear that, you know, when Kimmy first told me the gambler thing was going down, and I don't know who came up with the idea, but the whole idea was the inspiration of the bowling ball was, we don't want people racing, right? We want people to complete and love the gambler for what it was. And I always thought it was crazy, so I wouldn't have wanted to win. So, wish you were here, little brother.
We made friends with these guys ahead of us. They have a Honda Accord and it's probably about 95% stock. The only thing they've done to it is taken off the front bumper and made a skid plate and welded a roof rack on the top of it. They got 4 guys in there and they're going everywhere. This is some stuff some guys will be out in a Jeep posting it up on the Jeep Club saying how awesome they were, but here we got a bone stock Honda Accord. I'm in the passenger seat today. It's a little bit different. Norman's driving. You don't have a whole lot of off-road driving experience, huh?
No.
Right,
I got a
so he's learning.
big truck. Yeah, don't get off the road.
He's learning, but that's all right. We're in the Lexus. We got the AC turned down. It's nice in here. Best way to cover the desert is in a Lexus IS300. Is that the idea? There we go. I let Norm drive it. It's the first time we got stuck.
I've been saying we should have.
Of course, it's the first time that we went into soft sand, so I can make fun of him all I want, but yeah.
No, I think
We're digging. Well, we made her back. We're back at the base camp and the car performed well. We had a good time. We're gonna load up and head for home. This has been a really good time. I appreciate all the people out there watching. Thank you to, what do we got here? Super Clean, Robert Roy, Pastor Blue Ribbon. You still ain't got a hold of me, but I'm sitting here patiently waiting. So, if you're thinking about doing a gambler event, I highly recommend it. All right, if you're liking my content, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.